I've been fasting for 16 hours today, and I'm going to break my fast with this high protein, high fiber, nutritious meal. I'm going to have a can of sardines. That's going to give me about 21 grams of protein, plus sardines are high in those omega-3 fatty acids, which is so good for brain health. I'm also having about 4 or 5 ounces of flounder. That's going to give me another 25 grams of protein. I cut up an avocado for fiber and for potassium. I'm going to get about 16 grams of fiber in this avocado. Then I threw in a handful of blueberries just to make the meal really fun to eat and to increase the amount of antioxidants. Then I have a pickle because I just love pickles. Now my goal whenever I eat is to prioritize protein. I want anywhere between 30 to 60 grams of protein within this meal. I wanted 60 grams in this meal. So for dessert, I'm gonna have a Greek yogurt. For 100 calories, that's gonna give me an additional 15 grams of protein. And I'm also gonna put 2 tablespoons of ground flaxseed on top of the yogurt to increase the amount of omega-3s and just to give me a little bit more fiber. This is the perfect high protein, high fiber meal to eat.